driving up this mountain road, starting to feel a little intimidated. Gotta start somewhere. This is the town of Independence. And I was there like 10 minutes ago. And I'm making my way into these mountains. Already fucking up. I started my hike and then I realized that I don't have my sleeping pad that goes underneath my sleeping pad. So I'm walking back to my car. Fall. Dropped my bear can and it almost went that way. Who does that? I think I'm gonna have to stop for a snack soon. I've been hiking for 30 minutes. Look how quiet it is. I can hear birds, but I can't hear a single car. I see lizards running. I'm wondering if I'll see any bears. Everyone says there's a lot of bear activity here. I just realized that I'm ruining it by having sunglasses on. I just took my sunglasses off and everything is so much more colorful than I thought it was. I'm just gonna fill up my leader and make it over the pass. The next lake is just a pothole. There's no way to climb down to it. That's Heart Lake. I had to take this while I could get it. These stupid caps that you can connect to your smart bottle are really cool. I find that you have to release the pressure, otherwise your filter stops flowing. Big pothole lake. I've been waiting all day for this lake. I'm almost to the top. The trail's behind me. I should have spent the night maybe at Onion Valley to acclimate to the altitude. I believe this peak is 11,000 feet. And I swear, it feels like my muscles get so tired so fast. Still made it up here. Almost done. And then, when I get to the top, I get to climb all the way down. I think like a mile, but that's downhill, so. At this point, I'm just trying to make it to camp before the sun sets on me, which I think I will. Fuck this lake. Kearsarge Pass. $11,760 feet. And I just came up on this view. So beautiful. Wow. I hope nobody's at the lakes tonight, because then I get this entire place to myself. Me and a couple bears. Okay, now to start my hike down. I'm gonna try to get there before the sun sets because I'm exhausted and I'm hungry. Alright, so I'm at camp right now, waiting for my chicken pad thai to be done rehydrating. This is my camp. It's a little messy in my tent. I'll show you a little bit more. This is my view. Cool. I don't even know what time it is right now, but I think that when the sun goes down, I'm done. And it's starting to get cold. I think I'm gonna put my layers on. And I know that I shouldn't be cooking so close to my tent, but I was just boiling water. And I was actually told by a couple that was going down the mountain earlier not to camp at this lake because this is where all the wind comes. But I wanted the last of the sun, and I don't like to do what people tell me. It's about 11:30-ish. And I was sleeping, not very peacefully. And the wind is so crazy. You know, 1 second it's like dead silent, and then all of a sudden it's like thunder. It sounds like ocean waves. And it knocked my stake out of the ground, and so my tent comes over my head, and I thought I was about to be blown away. I had to pee anyways, and when I got out there, the moon is so bright. I should have took pictures. I think I'm gonna go back out there right now. The moon was so bright that I could like just see everything. So cool. How peaceful it is out here, and how bright. I told you, the moon is like a midnight sun. It's 7:40, no, it's 6:45. And the sun is just about to start coming up. This is the hardest part of my day today. Getting up there. I'm just moving like a sloth. And sometimes sloths sit down. I made it up and over the pass. And I think like a little bit less than an hour and a half. So I don't even want to go back over there to show you, but back on this side, and I'm sitting here just taking in the sun. It was so cold on the other side. I was in the shade of the mountain the whole time, and the wind was just beating me up. Going down is always so much easier than going up. I'm just having a nice stroll in the mountains. Downhill. There is a bit of wind on this side of the mountain. I came from up there.